right. Are you ready? Day one project broadcast. I am so excited to teach this to you guys. This has been an absolute game changer for my business. It's going to be a game changer for yours. It is going to simplify things for you. You are going to be able to quickly connect with prospects and customers and potential customers and all the people with the click of a button. So I want to make sure over the course of the 3 days that I leave you walking out of here ready to implement Project Broadcast, feeling comfortable about using Project Broadcast, knowing the basics of how to use Project Broadcast. So let me know below. If you guys don't know me, I just want to introduce myself really quick. My name is Carrie. I was a former high school Spanish teacher, but I absolutely love technology. So I am so excited to teach you guys how to integrate Project Broadcast into your business. So really quick, just throwing this out there as a stat for you and why I think text messaging is so amazing. It has a 99% open rate, meaning someone gets a text message, it's right there on their phone. It's not like behind the scenes in an email. It's not in Facebook Messenger. It's right there. They're going to see it, right? That's number one. And number two, let's face it, you guys, when you're on social media at any time, as we saw a couple of weeks ago with the Facebook blackout, you can lose access to people. So if you have their text, they're yours. Those are your people. That is your contact list. All right. So we're going to dive right in. I talk a little bit fast. Jersey girl here. I'm not going to make these trainings super long because I value your time and I know that we're all busy. So we're going to dive right in. So once you sign up, right? If you're not already signed up and you scroll down, there are different plans to choose from. If you have, a couple hundred customers, I totally think $15 a month is a great plan to start with. If you anticipate yourself sending out several more messages, value-based type messages, which I'm going to talk a little bit about, you could potentially do like $25 a month and that'll get you those 1,000 credits. But the cool thing is, you can always add more credits at any time. All right. So we're going to dive in. I am going to show you today what we're going to cover is the basic, how to add them individually. And I'm going to bring you today right up to sending your first message. Okay. This is a super cool trick that you can do right here. Now, when you go shopping in Walmart or Macy's, do they even have Macy's anymore? Or any department store, they have departments, right? Men, women, kids, shoes. The cool thing with Project Broadcast is you can tag people, contacts in your Project Broadcast on a tag. Now, how do you use these tags? Well, you can have a tag that's customers. You can have a tag that's social marketers. You can have a tag that's potential customers. The sky's the limit as far as having tags for different people in different departments. All right. I'm going to real quick show you how to do one by one, because let's face it, maybe you're selling to one person a day, or maybe you just want to add one person a day. All right. So I'm going to show you how to do that. That's done from the little contacts head right here. So you have the contacts, you click the plus sign, and then you're literally going to add. So I will put in, I want a name so I can show you how to do this. I'm going to do Jane Smith. Why not? We're going to be totally random here. And Jane Smith's phone number is 609-555-5555. There we go. You don't need the email, but I want to show you this because you can't add birthday right here. So now she's at the top, right? See her right there. And this is her info. So you have to add the birthday. If you don't import them, you have to add the birthday separate. So you would just go in here, put the month, the date, and it's here. And you're probably like, well, why do I need birthday messages? Well, our birthday dates, I'm going to teach you that because you can send out automatic birthday text messages. How cool is that? And then if you add someone, you can also come down here and you can tag them with whatever the tag is going to be for that person. So that could be your new customers, whatever, right? Super, super cool. And I'm going to teach you guys as well, when you send out those messages and you have those messages, how to create it so you don't have to type it up every time. It's going to be ready. So like when you send that welcome message, if you want to like add Jane Smith and like send it and it's quick and you don't have to sit here and type it, I'm going to show you how to do that too. All All right. So I hope you guys are excited for this. I really am excited to hear that you implement this. I want you all, your homework tonight is let's get rocking and rolling. Get your first message sent out if you haven't done that yet. And I'm ready. I'm going to show you guys how to send out that first message. All right. So once you have your people in, you're going to get excited because you guys, we're not only going to use Project Broadcast to like, spam people, because I think a lot of people think that's what it is, like, oh, I'm going to get out there and I'm just going to hit them with sales and promos. No, we're going to give them some value. I'm going to teach you guys how to do that. You're going to be able to drip campaign on them, auto messages for like teaching them how to use the Lean Body System and things like that. All right. So here we go. Everybody's in there. If you click on the heads, that's the contacts button. You'll see where everyone's at. All right. Now, the little calendar guy here, calendario, that is where you send your messages from all the time. That is how you set them up. So when you click on schedule, right, you click on the plus sign, and then this is your little scheduling dashboard. Everything that I'm teaching you today, except for the import, can be done on the Project Broadcast app on your phone. If you didn't know that there's an app, it's super cool because when people message you, they go to the app. When you message them, you go to their text, but they think that they're coming to your text. So it's cool. All right. So first message, and I can totally give you guys an example below this, like a message that I send. I keep it like super laid back, let them know that it's you, right? Especially you guys, if you're going to start utilizing this and you have people that have been using the system for a while and things like that, like let them know that you're excited about your new business number. All right. So talk like yourself. Hey, you could say hi, however you talk, right? I'm a hey girl. Then I'm going to show you a cool feature. Ready? See this little guy here that looks like parentheses? To me, it does anyway. I don't know what they're called. You click that, right? You click on dynamic field. You click on first name, and it's going to put their first name in there. They're going to feel special when you message them. So, hey, Carrie, exclamation point if you want. How's it going, girl? Whatever you want to say. Like if this is your first message, you probably want to be a little more like formal, I guess. So how's it going, girl? This is just me. This is me being me. I'm so excited for this. I just set up this business number to be able to offer you better customer service, a quicker way to get in contact with me, the latest of what's going on, yada, yada, right? Whatever you're going to offer your people. We all offer different things, right? Then you're going to say, save this number in your contacts and get in touch with me anytime. You might add something on there like, if you haven't already, make sure you join our healthy living community. And you can add a link there to like a Facebook group, or if you want to show them a YouTube video, whatever you want to do. All right. So you do all that. You type up your message. Okay. Me personally, a Carrie pro tip. I use the little paper clip here and I add in a fun picture of myself or me and my kids and my family. Just because if this is your first time messaging people, some people think that it's like a bot or it's like, you know, not you or it's spam. So I send a picture so that they know it's me. It's like a little personal touch. This little light bulb here, it's going to be your little friend when you send messages. See this? It's green, which means the message is very deliverable. If it's ever in the red zone, it's undeliverable, likely because you have dollar signs, you guys. This is a pro tip. Don't put dollar signs. You have to put like the dollar emoji sign, like the black one that's in the pictures. You can't have a lot of sales verbiage. So if you use like the word free or sale, things like that, you have to like tweak it. So if you do sale, you have to put like the dollar sign with ALE. If you do free, you have to put the little emoji for free so that it actually goes. So if you click the light bulb, it'll tell you under here like what the issues are. If you make a few short tweaks, it usually has no problem sending. So that's there for you to use. Then next step, you go to add contacts, right? Now, here's the fun part. If you're doing your first blast message, right? Everyone, you're going to click add all. It's going to add them all. Okay. Now, if you are not sending to everyone, because I told you, what did I say? We can have different departments in a department store, right? See the little tag button here? You click him and you can go, who do you want to send it to? So do you want to send it to just customers? Do you want to send it to customers for 916? See where I'm going with this? So in the future, keep this in your mind, you can do all, or you can do one little segment of people. So if 916 were the 8 new customers you got this week, they're going to get that first message, that first welcome message. All right. See where I'm going with that? So you do that. You pick who your contacts are. I'm not sending any right now, but if I was, I would pick the contacts I'm adding. I would click like their name. I would add selected. It's going to put them under here. See that? Then you're going to go to select date and time. Cool thing about this, you guys, you can make it a future time. So here's another Carrie pro tip. I'm going to give you 2 pro tips. I send these typically in the afternoon, because think about it, during the day, what people are busy at work, they're running around, they're doing all the things. So I send it dinner time-ish, after dinner time-ish, so that it's like the end of the night. People are sitting on their phones, they're watching TV, they're scrolling social media. So I totally recommend doing that. And my other pro tip is I schedule it on here and then I go on my phone and I open the app and I'll try to make it pretty. If you guys have like any of the font editors, like fonts or any of those things, I do that. And then I'll make it like bold or italicized and I'll do like fun, cute stuff with it. So you're going to pick your time. You could put like 5 o'clock p.m. There you go. You click the save button again, right? It's all here. You click save. And boom, you are ready to send your first project broadcast message. How cool is that? And again, so stinking easy that you are able to do this from your phone on the app. You are also able to sit here on your computer. It doesn't have to be daunting, you guys. It's so super easy to get people uploaded.